Now, you can, if you are just starting off a book brand new, you can start reading, and it will keep track of the amount of time that you are reading. You can also set up a countdown, so you can say that you want to read for 20 minutes, and you can read for 20 minutes. If you would like Bookout to send you notifications, it can, otherwise say don't allow. I will say allow. Here's another ad, so I have to wait for that. And some other features in this screen is that you can add specific quotes that you like, or you can add some thoughts that you have about the book. Once you are done reading, you can press stop and input the number of pages you got to in that amount of time. I'm going to say that I got to page number 1. Then another way, if you have read the book before or you've forgotten to click on it or keep track of it, you can press the little plus button right over here and say that the number of pages you read this session, not to be confused with the number of pages you got to, and let's just say that we read 5 pages, and the amount of time that you read was about 4 minutes. And let's say that the date was February 13th. Then you add the session. And as you can see, it shows right here the date that you started the book on, the pages that you read, and the amount of time you've read. Then down here, from the amount of time and the data that you have inputted into this app, it predicts the amount of time that it will take you to finish reading the book. Here it says it'll take me 6 hours, 58 minutes, and 36 seconds to finish Renegades. It'll show you your most recent reading sessions, and if you go down here, there is a bar graph that you can choose pages read over the last 7 days or the last 14 days, and it'll show you your progress. Or you can choose time read over the last 7 days or last 14 days, and it'll show you your progress. And you can tap on each dot to see the information. Down here, you can also add quotes or thoughts about the book. And whenever you have completed a book, you can go over here and it will create an infographic on the data that you have gotten from this book. Down here, you can click to say that you have lent the book to someone, and then it doesn't like to do so with me, but if you are able to, you can, after you put the name in, you can say that you have lent the book. Down here, you can edit the book that you are currently working on. So let's say that you discover that it doesn't actually have 556 pages, it only has 550 pages. You can edit that and then do save changes. You can also go down here and click Finish Book and rate it the amount that you would like. I'm going to rate it 5 stars, rate and finish. In addition to all of this, it shows all the different books you are working on up here. And if you go down here where there's a little target with an arrow and it says Goals, you can set a monthly goal. I currently have my monthly goal set for 6 hours for this month, but you can edit your goal over here or press delete goal, and now I no longer have a goal. You can set up one right here, and let's say that the number of hours that you want your goal to be is 10 hours for the month. Then you can do save goal. Over here it says yearly goal, but if you click here, it says that you can only do that if you have Bookout Pro, along with have as many books as you would like to have. Currently they have a 10-book limit. Do image quotes, which is take images of your favorite quotes. It is a lot faster than typing, apparently. Do global stats, which is your overall reading progress. iCloud support, you can back up your data between the cloud and all of your different devices that you have, and do text from images, as well as there are even more goodies. So you can also set a timer to remind you to read every single day. You can set it for as many days of the week as you would like. I'm going to set it for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I'm going to set it for 4:30. And now I have a reminder that it will tell me when to read.